Hey, what's up, guys? I've got a few updates for you. I'm all out of Freebirds, and I have more on order, but we're going to be changing a few things up with them. The ones that are coming are going to be all painted. I think I told you guys that. I'm moving away from having the batteries in the stock. It's a safety issue, so you guys who already have them, lucky you, because I'm not going to make any more of them. For the ones of you who do have them, I'm going to repeat myself. I mentioned this in my last video. Just be sure to keep an eye on the insulation on the outsides of those batteries, and if there's nicks in them or whatever, you need to replace those batteries. So what are we going to do in place of having the batteries in the stock? Well, we're moving to external battery packs, and we will do that via a connection right here. This is an XT60 plug. It runs directly to the board, and we'll just be able to run a 5S battery pack from here to go with our air bottle, I guess. Right now, just to try it out, I put some Velcro on here for the little 1000 milliamp 6S pack that I have. I'm not recommending you do 6S. I'm doing testing. I would still say only 5S for this. But since we do, since our stock is freed up now, we can put a collapsible stock on it, like so. And I think it looks really nice. I'll show you a little bit better in the light. So there's what it looks like with a collapsible stock. Nice and compact. Yeah, I had really high hopes for those new switches I found for running the 6S packs. They keep sticking, even though that they're 5 amp rated. The new ones I found, they're sticking. So right now, it's a matter of just finding one that doesn't stick. I apologize about this lighting, guys. It's hard to find a place for me to record. But anyway, I've been talking to Sergey about this problem actually for years, and I think he's finally ready to do something about it. I'm not going to say for sure, but what we have planned, because I'd hate for it to turn into vaporware, but hopefully we're going to have that addressed, and that'll open it up for 6S for us, which will in turn open up 8,000 rounds a minute. That's really why I stopped building the 8K guns, because of the stupid power switches. It's not that they don't run awesome, it's just that the power supply that you need to power them fries the switch, and a freaking circuit breaker wouldn't be very appealing to the eyes on the gun. So that's where we are. And remember how I told you this platform is modular? We're actually looking at doing a new foregrip module for the 8K. So that's what we're looking at doing right now. No promises though, but in that case, what you would do is you would just remove your old foregrip and bolt on the new one, connect a couple of wires, and replace a motor, and you would have an 8K Freebird. Alright, well, that's about all I had for you today, guys. Yeah, I would shoot this thing, but I may have told you, I don't remember if I told you or not, but the BB centering in it, it's total crap. I mean, no gain at all. And what's going on in there, I think, is you've got the set screw coming down, and I think as BBs are coming up, they'll go like that to it. It'll actually shoot one time, and then it won't fire. It'll shoot a BB and then it won't fire. So over the next few days, when I have a little bit of spare time, I'm going to be in there messing around with the adjustment screw, with that set screw, and try to see if it starts functioning again, if it's up and out of the way like it wouldn't even be in there, or if I need to put it down more. Yeah, it's just something I've been messing around with. Alright guys, yeah, that's about it. I'll see y'all later.